Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right in the middle, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was 42 minutes, most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So if you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard where you can compare the time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week, and under it you've got the information how much time you've spent on particular apps. What is more, the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, Chrome, phone, whatever you've got here, just tap on it and you will be able to check the time spent on this one app and compare it within the days of a week. You've got also ways to disconnect, so basically if you decide that you spend too much time on the screen, you can set, for example, the focus mode. You can select some distracting apps, so probably some kind of social media app or something. Just mark them. Set a schedule, so you can choose particular days and time of a week. And after turning it on, your device will basically hide the notifications from those apps, so you will be less distracted and you will be able to focus on work, or you will be able to rest. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.